Aji is wheelchair bound with his legs paralyzed, but he has come up with an innovative finding: human magnetic power generating system. The beneficial discovery generates electricity continuously for about 5 hours. Aji, a native of Chinganasheri, couldn't attend the school as he was confined to the wheelchair since his childhood. He learned more about electronics from his brother and made wonders in the respective field, overcoming his limitations. The flywheels attached to the machine will rotate more than 10 times if the pedal attached to the power generating system is rotated. The dynamo and the recharging system convert the energy generated by the machine to electric power. Thus, we could generate electricity by simply rotating the pedal for just 4 minutes. Aji, the man behind the machine, was left paralyzed due to a medical negligence occurred when he was undergoing treatment for fifth disease at the age of 8. He spent almost his entire childhood and adolescent periods in hospitals. Thus, he was unable to do his schooling and graduations. On further treatments, the mobility of his arms was restored. Aji has been fascinated with electronic devices since his young age and was learning from his brother who works in the respective field. Later, he turns his passion into a profession. His first experiment was to make an amplifier, though he was undergoing treatments. Later, after 10 years of experiments, he made a 230-volt, 50-head power plant that could be operated manually. The power plant would not cause pollution as it does not need any fuel. Now he is trying to build a power generator that works 24 hours a day. There are also plans to set up a small unit to manufacture this machine with government aid. His wife is Sindhu and children are Abhijit and Stuti. News Desk Kaumudi, English.